D equals 7. C value is -2, which I'm going to put in brackets. And the F value is 5. So 7 brackets my -2 squared plus 5 in brackets is 33. You need to expand the bracket first. 5 times q is 5q. 5 times -3 is -15. I need to move the q's all to the left, so the opposite of subtract q is to add a q. 5q and another q makes 6q. Opposite of subtract 15 is add 15. And the opposite of multiply by 6 is divide by 6. So q is 4.5. This question is the same method, but instead of equal sign we've got this funny crocodile. So the opposite of add 3 is subtract 3. Opposite of multiply by -7 is divide by -7. But when we divide by a negative number, the crocodile turns round. Right, this sequence is going up in 4, so that's 4n, but the first number is a 7, so I've got to add 3 to get to 7. First 3 terms, I'm going to do 80 subtract 2 lots of 1, 80 subtract 2 lots of 2, and 80 subtract 2 lots of 3. Gives me 78. 76 and 74. UN says there are no numbers in both sequences. Well, all of these are odd numbers and all of these are even numbers. The first sequence is all odd. The second sequence is all even. Seven hours 80 minutes, so 7 lots of 60 minutes plus the extra 18. There's a grand total of 438 minutes. Speed equals distance over time, and we want distance, so distance is speed multiplied by time. So the speed is 750, the time is 438, which is a very big number. That's several times round the Earth, so we need to remember to divide by 60 because we've got minutes, not hours. 5,475 is a far more sensible answer. So 750 kilometres per hour. Well, if we multiply by 1,000, we'll get how many metres that is. So 750,000 metres in an hour. If we divide by 60, that will give me in metres per minute. And if I divide by 60 again, I'll get metres per second. (208.3 recurring). Standard form, always worth trying it on the calculator. Oh, and it does it this time, so 22000000. Put it into standard form, so I need a dot between my two numbers, 9.5. And the dots move from the end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. I can check that, 9.5 times 10 to the 5 matches. C I can do on the calculator, 4.2, use the times 10 button at the bottom, 4 over 700,000 is 0.06, but they want it in standard form, so I've got to write it as 6 times 10. There's zeros at the beginning, so that's negative 1, 2, negative 2. Reduced means we start by doing 100%, subtract the 15%, which makes 85%. Oh, hang on. And it's reduced by, oh, so these two things are the same. 15% is $22.5. So some amount, when I find 15%, that's 15 over 100, I get an answer of 22.5. Opposite of multiply is divide. Gives me an answer of 150. Not too